It was definitely a choose-your-own-adventure with summer camps across the district this year. Here at South Platte Park, we offered over 20 different kinds of things filled with outdoor adventure. New camps were featured at the Buck Recreation Center, as well as the sports complex. And don't forget about the unique Lego and science camps. The camps in this amazing setting are really popular and fill up fast. Go online now to sign up for Thanksgiving and holiday camps, as well as start looking at next summer.
South Suburban's golf courses have been busier than ever this year. Our summer season saw hundreds of kids enrolled in our junior golf and learn to play camps. There have been nearly 200,000 rounds of golf played at our 4 courses just this year. All of our golf courses are open year-round, depending on the weather. So come on out, enjoy our great conditions and the great fall weather.
Do you run for the challenge or for the post-race snacks? Either way, the South Suburban Race Series has it all. The beautiful but challenging hills at the Bluffs 8K, the Western Welcome Week tradition of the Pancake Stampede, and of course, the spooky vibes from the Hoofing It Through the Hollows 5K. Don't worry if racing isn't your thing. We've had plenty of fall events to keep you busy. Creative costumes were a hit at the Trick or Treat Trail. South Platte Park came alive with the Enchanted Forest. Colorado Journey Mini Golf had some unusual guests, and goblins and ghouls haunted the sports complex ice arena.
You may have noticed our facilities looking a little brighter this past month. That's because every August we shut them down for 5 days each to do a deep clean and various improvements. For instance, here at Buck, we hope you've had a chance to take a seat in our new lobby furniture and experience the new lighting in the indoor pool and paint throughout the facility. Lone Tree has new flooring in the Willow Room, and the water slide was repaired and painted. Goodson saw some heat that was used to resurface the pool and hot tubs, and a nice upgrade to the gymnastic sound system is coming soon. Hopefully you had a chance to check out one of our other great facilities while we were working hard on yours. Thank you for your patience and enjoy the upgrades.
How cool was it that the Colorado Avalanche brought the Stanley Cup to South Suburban? On 3 different occasions, our fans got to share in the excitement of the Cup. With all the fans there, the excitement, the screaming, the kids, the parents, everyone got to enjoy it. It was so amazing. You can have an opportunity to watch them practice at our facility. Lots of NHL players learn to skate in rinks just like this one. Come join us.